Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Dodge's 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Remove the factory body mount using a torch or other cutting tool. Using a grind wheel, remove any rust and debris from the mount location. Step 3. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to prevent future rust formation. Step 4. Using the markings from the factory mount, align the new bed mount on the frame rail. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the part to the frame prior to welding it completely. Weld 100% around all edges. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Then you're done.